Hi, and thank you so much for popping in. It's really appreciated. The same as I really do appreciate your comments, views, thoughts and guidance, and no more so than in this video today. Now, if you are like me, a little bit of a glamour puss, and you like times gone by, and particularly if you live in the UK, then I'm sure at some stage you've heard of the Goodwood revival. It's something that's been high on my bucket list of things to do, and thanks to one particularly kind-hearted and very lovely person, and you know who you are, Kirsty, this year it's possible, and I'm going to be attending the event on the 7th of September, and I'm so looking forward to it and sharing it with you. I think it's going to be a great weekend. The slight challenge I've got is, where have you heard this before? But I've got nothing to wear. And sadly, it's true. Although I've got lots of dresses, I just want something slightly different. Now, one of the things that I'm very mindful at the moment is not everybody has got a huge amount of pennies to spend, and me in particular. So I've reached out to the people at Temu, had a look on their site, and purloined and secured several dresses that I want to review with you. I want to put them on like this one here, see what you like, and then the winner will be the one I'm going to wear, because I'm really at a crossroads of which one I like. Now the good thing is, and I want to share it with you at the end of this video, I've got a big surprise and I think you are going to love it. But before we get to the end, let's fill in between the start and the end, shall we? By reviewing all these dresses one at a time, and I hope you like it. So let's go, shall we? What a way to open the show. What do you think of that little number? I thought it was absolutely fantastic. Its beauty is its pure simplicity. That lovely 3/4 length sleeve and the white detail around the neck is just perfect. Not to mention, of course, the figure hugging material. So I hope you like it as much as I liked wearing it. So let's move on to number 2, shall we? Two-piece combination that was, between the green matching cardigan and that very flattering sunflower print dress there. I think you got a great combination, particularly for the British weather, because you never know whether it's going to be warm, chilly or cold. So you could slip into the cardigan if you're feeling the chills, or if the sun actually comes out, you can bathe in that lovely kind of a strappy, toppy sort of dress there. I thought it was very nice. I like the length of it as well, and a very figure-hugging and flattering A-line style. So let us move on and see what you think of option number 3. For a little bit of spotty dotty. Yes, it was a lovely swing dress with very short little cap sleeves there, and we added a little bit more volume in the skirt area there with a little petticoat underneath just to give it that little bit more zhuzh. I do like the little buttons down it as well, and also the fact that it's quite easy to put on because it has a side zip here, which means you don't have to reach over and struggle to get those last half an inch on the zip when you're putting it on yourself. So, going from one particular swing dress to another, let's move on to option 4, shall we? Sweet little number there. It's quite a striking colour combination, black, grey, little polka dots in there. It's very eye-catching. I do like the way that the skirt section moves quite freely as you're walking, and also combined that with the black collar there. I think you've got a very nice, striking, but very flattering outfit. We just added a slightly wider elasticated belt there to clinch the waist in a little bit more and give you that nice silhouette there that's more of a feminine touch. So talking of feminine touch, shall we move on to option number 5?
5 of the outfits I'm considering for the Goodwood revival, and each and every one of them was purchased through Temu. And all I did basically was download their app and then had a quick look under retro. I was so surprised with the extensive range they had on offer, and also some of those fantastic prices that when you catch it right and they have regular sales on there, you can find a real bargain. And the great thing about it was that it also included the delivery prices, so I didn't even have to worry about that. So I would highly recommend it. If you haven't got it already, please consider downloading the Temu app. I think you will be very surprised. I was with the quality of all of the garments there. They fitted wonderfully well and were true to size, because that's one thing that I was worried about. I am a regular size 14 and every one of those fit like a glove. The material was good to the skin as well, and I thought they were all very well made for the price. So I would highly recommend you having a look. Definitely come to my rescue with this one on a very limited budget. I still think you can, as the advert goes. Shop like a billionaire. I wish I had a billion, but if I did, I don't quite know what I'd do with it all, if I'm really honest. But the exciting news is that in the description, if you do download the Temu app, there is a link with a code in our description, which I believe will get you up to a £100 coupon. So you can literally shop to your heart's content. Your only problem being is which items you're really going to have, and it's been a very large selection of items. Not just clothes, but there are wigs and makeup and lots of things that I know you, dear viewer, will be interested in. So thank you as always very much for tuning in. I am looking forward to your comments and your guidance, and I've got to say once again, I was very happy with each and every one of those dresses there. I'm sure you will be too. So thank you for Temu for sorting me out on this particular occasion. Good shopping to you all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, stay gorgeous, stay safe. So for now, bye bye.